Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an airplane like this. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it. Now from the other side, again fold it and fold two triangles from the top towards the bottom. Now from the other side, open the fold and press it. Turn it and fold a leaf type shape from the other side, and then the second one. Fold it and press well. Fold it into two halves and press it. Now again fold it like this from one side and then the other. Repeat the step. Like this and press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold it like this. Now fold it upwards to form the tail of the plane. Okay, and it's done. Wow, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.